shirt and my pink pants. And that's why I have my hair curly, because it's fresh wash.
So first you can see I started by washing Maddie's hair. I usually do 2 rinses, so this is the second rinse. I would post the product, but I don't really like this product that I used this time, but I'll make sure to do so next time. And you can see we're all done, freshly washed. All right. So I'm going to show you all how to get this thick curly hair into a sleek bun.
Yeah, and it's so it can be long.
So this is her hair freshly washed.
Yeah.
So I already washed
You
it.
forgot your spray.
It's still damp. Usually, if you don't want to wash your hair, you can just get a spray bottle and just spray it to get it a little damp. But her hair is still a bit damp.
Yeah, and I wanted to wash my hair, so my mommy did it, and that's why.
So I have this. So if you have any like styling pudding, that's what I would recommend. This is Lotta Body. I would not recommend this brand. This is just what I have left. But for now, it'll do.
If you want your hair longer in a ponytail,
So this is the
tell me
consistency
comment
of it.
below.
It smells good though. It does smell good.
Smell.
But I just don't like. I feel like it makes her hair feel hard. Here.
You smell. Yeah, it does smell good, guys. You know, that's why my hair always get curled up when I'm taking a bath, so I'm quiet. Right, Mommy? And part of my hair just always get to come below. And it comes below, grown-ups. If your kid doesn't want to get your hairspray, of course, or that body wash, maybe you can use a toy for them so they can play while you're doing their hair.
That's such a good idea. So yeah, I'm just rubbing the pudding through Maddie's hair. So if your child does have thicker hair, I do recommend that you divide it into sections. It just makes things a lot more easier when it is time to style it.
And if they're not going to want to spray their hair or take a bath while you're washing their hair, maybe you can use a toy.
A toy? That is a good idea. That's what we do, isn't it?
Yeah.
We get a toy.
Well, I listen to take a bath. And that's why it comes down below for kids doesn't want to eat ice cream either. You can give them an ice cream toy so they can learn how to eat their ice cream.
Maddie, I don't think there's no kid who does not want to eat ice cream.
But
you want to eat ice cream, don't you?
Yeah, because
all the time.
Yeah. And comment down below if your kids get their hair messy while they're going to bed, you tell them no.
No, no, no.
Yeah. Sometimes my hair looks crazy in bed.
We all have those days.
Yeah.
So, quick story. So, honestly, when I was pregnant, I was like, I hope I have a girl so I can just do her hair really pretty.
Yeah, that's what.
And now she got all this hair, and I just don't know what to do with it.
No, stop. No, my mommy just making that up.
I'm making it up.
Yeah.
So you think I do a good job on your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Boogie.
And that's why my mommy. I don't know who teaches my mommy how to do my hair.
Mommy has to teach herself.
But
so rule of thumb: try to comb from ends to roots.
And if my mommy's mom just already put that oil in my hair.
Yeah, she puts a lot of oil on your hair, which is why we have to wash it a lot.
Yeah. And that's why my mommy has to wash.
Who else mothers do that? My mama used to do that to us when we were kids. She put so much oil in our hair.
And
it'll be all over the car seats, the windows, everywhere.
Yeah. And that's why my hair looks already pretty. If your kid's child's their hair messy, you they put their toys in their hair when they get messy.
This is a workout.
Comment down below if you
Her hair
guys
is
wash
thick.
it. Okay?
So then you can use like a hard brush, not too hard though. So I like this gel by Fantasia. It's called the Frizz Buster gel. I like this one because it really does fight the frizz. The consistency is kind of liquidy, so it's not like too hard on your hair. So this really does take care of all the frizz. Like, this is my fave.
And comment down below your doctors is nice, okay? If your kid has doctors, they're nice. I have a doctor too. I was afraid to talk to her. Remember that yesterday?
That was nice. Okay, so the key to getting a really good bun is making sure you brush your hair down so we can get it really sleek. So at this time, you do want to brush down any flyaways. Then when you're ready for your hair tie, you want to wrap it really tight. So I like to wrap it around about 3 times. Then I do a little pull so I can ensure that it is as tight as it could be. Okay, great. So once you have your hair as tight as it can be, what I like to do is divide the hair into 2 sections and twist it as such. Then what I like to do is take each section and wrap them around each other. So yeah, it's okay if it doesn't work the first time. If you have to keep retwisting the sections like I did, it's okay.
I said I want my hair long and a bun.
So yeah, like I was saying, it may take a few times, but basically what you want to do is wrap it around and pull at the top of it so it can like stack on top of each other, if that makes sense.
I do this. See?
Can you get a little bobby pin? Pin it. Great, so we have our bun. Now here's my favorite part, is laying down the baby hair. So you can use the gel and brush down any flyaways that came about. And when you do the edges, I like to just swoop like you see, and I'll do that according to like her head shape. Okay, great. So we're all done. So this is how I do my top knot bun on my daughter. I think it's the cutest ever. So I think you all should try it on your little girls. Tell me if this video helps. I really appreciate any feedback. If you want to see more hair tutorials from us, let me know. Comment down below. So that's all we have for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Bye.